afternoon, everyone. This is Hanisha. I'm studying third standard in our Sri Shanti Niketan English Medium School. Today I'm telling about states and capitals. Our country is India. India is a big and beautiful seventh largest country in the world. I made my India with a strange theme. Let's look at our states and capitals. Ladakh, Leh, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Himachal Pradesh, Simla, Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, New Delhi, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Bihar, Patna, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Assam, Dispur, Meghalaya, Shillong, Tripura, Agartala, Mizoram, Aizawl, Manipur, Imphal, Nagaland, Kohima, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, West Bengal, Kolkata, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Tirunanthapuram, Goa, Panaji. Thank you everyone.